Hey guys, Texas fans and more here today. I'm filming a crossing tour of the Jordan Road Fair crossing in Huntsville, Alabama. Let's get started. So, first off, all 4 bases are from Satran, I believe. Both of the key magazines are from Satran. All lights are Satran 12 by 20 inch incandescent lights. And the bell right there is a Satran mechanical bell. I like that. So I like the top of some white on cantilever. That looks nice. So yeah. At the video tour of the Jordan Road Rare crossing in Huntsville, Alabama. Over.